and I've got it. So whatever's going on with peace and harmony, it's really affecting me for the good of me, but also for the, what I would say, the greater good of my people, the people I allow into my world, or that I touch, because I really see a significant difference. What I notice is a definite peace and harmony happens. Like I have children, adult children, let's say, and sometimes they're all like stressed out. But when I started running the peace and harmony at home, it was like those freakouts or whatever were definitely down. I personally, I'm just calmer. Like if somebody says something to me that you know, may or may not be nice, or maybe they don't want to do business with me, or they don't, you know, and I'm just like, okay, I'm good with it.